Okay, first time I've tried this, but I'm going to try to dye these Weber grill control knobs black. And what I'm going to use is this Rit Dye synthetic. It's called graphite. It's the closest thing they have to black, and it's made for synthetics like plastic. So we're going to give it a shot. First thing we got to do is get that up to about 200. Then I'm going to add some of the dye and some acetone. And I've got them all pre-measured out. I got 20 ounces of water, 2 ounces of dye, and about an ounce of acetone. And we put them in, let them set for, I don't know, half hour or so. Try to keep the heat up, and hopefully they come out nice and black. So we'll see. Right now we're at, a little over 200. So we should be good to go. I'm kind of worried about this because if I put the acetone in, I know it's going to stink up the house. Put on the fan there. But the wife ain't home. She won't be home for about 4 or 5 more hours, so hopefully I'm good. So, there we go with that. Put the acetone in. Maybe I should have put this stuff in earlier. Damn. That's not good. At least I got a black stove. Anyway, see what we got going here. Yeah, we're still close. I should have done this outside, but it's a little late now. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's probably good enough. About 192, 193. I'm gonna go grab some rubber gloves here. Well, at least one, if it fits. Anyway, well, it looks like something's happening. They're definitely getting darker, and that's quick. I expected it to take a lot longer. To prep these, I soaked them in like 50-50 bleach water for about 3 or 4 hours. Then I went and scrubbed them with a green scrubby pad with some bleach to get them good and clean, get all the oils, everything off, and then I wiped them down real good with some water and Dawn dish soap. Supposedly if there's any oils or anything on them, the dye won't adhere to those areas very well. So We'll see. Okay, it's dropping a little bit here. I'll turn the heat up a little. So I hope you guys got a little show there with the fire. Kind of scared me. I was starting to think, where the hell's the fire extinguisher? I think maybe be a good idea to add that acetone before it's that hot. Okay, I'm back up to about 190 now. Nope, we got a floater. Definitely a nice gray color so far, but I want to give it a good 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes, half hour. So I guess we'll pause this and come back.